Getting bags like I work for Instacart.
I'm back in this bitch.
Ayo with the mayo.
Getting bags like I work for Instacart. I don't got no key card, push to start. Yeah, automatic park. Take your bitch to the motherfucking park. Late night when it's really fucking dark. Got a condo in the hills, yeah, it's large. Young rich nigga, I got 8 cars. I don't pop no perkies, I don't take bars. You paying with your fucking EBT. Might catch me on fucking BET. And I'm always on the TV. White t-shirt and my VVs. These a mirror, you can never buy these. Smoking on this kill, I need some Visine. And my diamonds really fucking biting. Shoot the top like some fucking lighting. Don't even motherfucking try me. I'll really take your fucking wifey. I'm that nigga, yeah, I really might be. If you know me, I don't fuck with the fighting. Don't ask me why your bitch like me. Probably cause my diamonds biting. I'll really hit you with the high beams. I'm retired like Floyd, no fighting. I don't really do the internet beef. Run off, I'ma take your fucking teeth. Yeah, I'm smoking on this gas, on this leaf. Puff, 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 pass, look at me. Look at you, you ain't got no fucking cheese. Yeah, you broke, yeah, you bummy, you agree. Wipe your fucking nose, yeah, you done sneeze. Always getting green. If you know Uno Tray, I get the cheese. Get the cash, not talking about the weed. If you got it back, you get the weed for free. And I'm smoking on this tree. Look at me, look at you. I get the green and you stuck like some glue. Sipping on this act, I really got a flu. Go to Louis just to get some new shoes. All these blues, yeah, they call me Blues Clues. Yo, Gucci flip-flops, yeah, they fucking foo.